Can anyone tell me something about their city?
Yes,
Yes, Adam, what do you think about your city?
I think my city is a good place to live. It is not too big and people are friendly.
Good. What places can you find in your city?
My city has many places. We have schools, universities and libraries. There are also hospitals, clinics and pharmacies.
Very good. Where do people usually go in their free time?
People like to go to parks, cafes and restaurants. Some people go to the shopping mall or the market to buy clothes and food.
Does your city have places for young people?
Yes, we have sports centres, football fields and gyms. There are also cinemas and game centres, but not many.
What about transportation? How do people move around the city?
People use buses, taxis and sometimes trains. There are bus stations and taxi stops, but traffic can be a problem.
Are there any important places in the city centre?
Yes, the city centre has banks, offices, hotels and government buildings. There is also a big square and some museums.
That sounds interesting. Is there anything missing in your city?
I think my city needs more green spaces, bike lanes and playgrounds for children. We also need more cultural places like theatres and art centres.
If you could improve one thing, what would it be?
I would improve public transportation and build more parking areas.
Very nice. How do you feel about living in your city?
I feel comfortable and hopeful. My city has many good places, and it can be even better in the future.